So now we're going to Central Cave with the famous vlogger in Samar, Boy Dangas and Province Live TV. And with my son Trex, Kuya Trex, going now to Crystal Paradise here in Catbalogan. Okay, let's go. Ready na?
Yes, ready na.
Province Live TV and Boy Dangas.
Ready na.
Ready na. I'm gonna ride our tricycle. And Kuya Trex. Ready na, anak? There's traffic here. Cannot pass. Still traffic here in Canlakwas. Going now to Barangay San Andres. Here now, jump up point. Hiking Central Cave.
Ready na.
Okay, let's go na.
Let's go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Right.
Ready. So let's go. Okay. Ready. We start hiking now. Going to Central Cave. So almost 2 hours. Treks. This is Bangon Falls. We go canyoning after Central Cave. Kami Bangon Falls. Dili kita niya magka-canyoning.
Okay na, okay.
Oh, mapain ko. Colador. Asa ka? In the bridge guard lang. Asa ka magi? Careful. Slippery there ah. There, below the bridge. You want more adventure. Barefoot.
I have the phone.
Across the river. Gonna climb now the hill here. All the way to the top. Central Cave. The entrance is in the top of the hill. We're near now at the entrance of Central Cave. Just a little bit further. So we're gonna relax there and fix for vertical caving. Yeah, nice. So it's the entrance. Going down here.
Can I at least picture that, Daddy?
Yeah, picture na. Oh.
No.
Huh?
Adi man.
So we're gonna prepare now here about our tarp. Yeah, and then ready to go. Okay.
It's either nutrients or pancit.
Dumog na no? Ano? Dumog. Old. Giting, very mababari.
Our tarp.
Ganito it's boarding house?
What?
It's boarding house?
Tutumbada ka, GC. Tumbada ka, GC.
How can you call it? Sak.
I'm bored. I'm just doing whatever I want.
Yeah.
How about you? Are you going next?
Yeah.
Are you going to record?
Yeah. Okay. I think you do your saksaking.
What's attacking?
Yeah. I don't know.
Wow, you don't even know what you say.
You're saksaking.
What is attacking? Saksakan. Your charger board.
Anong saksak? Anong English ang saksak? Nagdililok ba?
Ade, help this person. What's the saksak?
You entertain him.
What is English of saksak? Yung
Charger?
carving.
What?
You're carving a wood. That's like a needle.
That's completely different.
Hairstyle. Let's see.
Let's see what happened.
Yeah.
You're going first. I'm going last. Right, let's go.
But next, when it's your turn, you're back.
Huh? No, don't turn around and go back.
I'm more afraid.
How so?
Better to jump than. Yeah, am I right?
Maybe. Maybe you try it.
It's better to jump. Jumping is faster than roping.
Sige, pinlit.
Oh, this one.
Adi, pag mag-move ka na ikaw, ano di?
Ayaw pang tigda, nainayla.
Banang bomba. Motor.
Sige.
Di katinin na di. Kaya inhi uri ka.
Rapil na na. Dili ka makakapidlit. Kaya ito.
Mag-rapil lala. Laalalay nala.
Dito niya wala makapot kada. Sige, pindlit. Good. Sige. Sige, nahinay lang. Sagad na ito. Okay. Sige.
Pwede mong buhian na ito. Nga higot. Ibisi ka man kuan video. Buhian mo la para di ka na
Sige. Okay. Sagad na ito. Nahinay lang. Sige. Sige, sagad lang. Okay. Sige, one more. May mo helmet na. Ikahulog na. Kaya. Sunod, sunod.
Namo.
Something else.
Sige, press la.
Oh, I gonna eat you when I catch. Oh.
Sige, press la. Sige, nahinay la. Sige. Sige. Sugad la ito. Sige. Nahinay la. Sige. Bitay na.
Sige naman nga na.
Uy. Nandok mo lang ini.
Alam ka, alo.
Uy, na helmet mo yan. Sige, sige. Sige, tanay.
Mag-vlog ka.
Sagdi na.
O, sige. Pay na kuhan.
Pwede na ka to diri mag-helmet kay naknaong baga naman naka-helmet.
Di ba na lang ang tapon?
Oo.
Kinap na ng chocolate. Kinap na.
My power is getting out.
Oh, yun na
right
next.
now.
Text.
You'll catch late. Wala yun.
Later.
Call.
Sige.
Hello.
O, bitay yan ay. Okay, bitay. Okay, go. Sige,
I'll tell you when to
tanggalan na
catch.
din na primero. Yeah. Remove. You take a look how to do it. Remove. Adi, tanggalan na din. Adi. Adi. Ini na. Adi na. Ito na. Karabiner rin eh. Ito.
ini sa tanggalon.
Oo.
Yeah, that's right.
Igbaw na igbaw. Dusa na igbaw. Tas birik. Dusa na igbaw. Birik. Idusa na igbaw. Birik. Idusa na. Idusa ko. Tiba igbaw. Sige, dusa na igbaw.
Don't make sure fall
Wala,
doesn't
man.
fall.
Diri, idusa na nga di. Kita na. Ito na.
God.
Sige, bulibila ito.
Dadal na nga yun. Daddy,
Tapusan
hold your
kuhan.
phone with two hands.
Ha?
Hold your phone with two hands.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Sige, bilin na ito. Kuhan na ito. Bale, tanggal ka na dito ng kuhan. Imo, ascender. Iduso ito dito ng kuhan. Primero. Sige. Iduso. Kumano. Kita. O, tanggal na. O. Nakasaklay. Ikuha na na. Sige. Sige, usaw-sala. Ay na pag kinapot. Ano yung makamot? Dito na lang pa kuhan. Sige.
Okay na. Ando lang,
Daw?
mapabos na lang. Nakatugwar nga pag...
Dire nimo sa nakabot dito lang sa napisi. Mas mapidlit ka la. Sige, ayo ko pagdikitan descender kay bangin makatsa nimo bado. Distansya lan kuan. Sige pidlit la. Sige pidlit. Okay.
You are.
Sige pidlit la.
Di ka na igbaw kinita. Ano di ko mo? You want
No,
the chocolate?
No!
No.
So no, not anymore. It'll take a while. Why are you recording?
Sit down here. Want your glove?
No.
Sit down. Dada. So mo ko this one to open like that only, down and like that. Down. Yo, sit down there. Move, sit down there. Little, okay. Okay. Great.
We will see how this works.
You're gonna press now. Okay.
Di ko ato. Hindi sirong kahoy agos.
So remove this one, you do like that and release. Like that, release, okay?
Okay. Let's
Cut away. Okay, let's go.
see in my fear.
Mm.
Okay, now I can feel it. I don't anymore to go down.
Sige na. You just bitay lang. Sige na, you do it. Nakakabit ka na, sige. Let go.
Oh,
Do it.
wait.
Sige. Bitay lang, let go na. So, find your one. Remove that one, remove.
Remove where?
This one, the one I teach you.
Okay.
Down first.
Okay, I'm shaking a lot. Wait.
So, it's okay. Relax yan lang. Sige, yung pa na, you remove that one.
Remove where?
The one, this one.
Where?
This one yan eh.
Give me a second.
Sige, napag-one dito one. Sige, remove. Ayun na pag-hold that one. You follow my instruction. You remove the rope. This one.
Where one?
This one yan eh. That one. Don't anymore hold that one. That one yan eh. Follow my instruction. That rope there.
Which one? This one?
That one, yeah. You do so. Yeah, you take a look. You remove it. Sige na. Remove it.
Okay.
Sige, do so. Oh, see? Remove it. This one na. Up there. Yeah, remove that one. Sige, do so.
Why is this so confusing?
Sige, that
And
one.
it's heavy.
Sige nga na. There. You move. Remove. Yeah.
Hindi nakapot.
Okay, that's it. And then, yeah, you tanggal. There. And you go like that. There. Okay. So, you're ready na. Sige, you press.
Yung kamot.
Press na, press. Sige,
Ang
press.
loyo ang kamot, ang loyo.
You press here in the other hand. This hand must be the one pressing this hand. This hand.
to.
Sige, press.
Yan.
That one there. Sige, press. Your other hand, in other rope. Your other hand in another rope. Your other hand in the rope.
Which rope?
There.
This
The other,
one?
no, the rope.
This
Yeah, that's right. There. And then press. The other hand must press like that. Okay, go. That's it. Sige, nak. Sige. Press it. Yeah, just press it nga na. This is only alalay. Sige, press. Sige, press. Press the red button. Press. You do so the rope and press. Yeah, do so that rope and press. No, you press the other like that. You do so and press. Well, that's it. Yeah, that's right. Sige, you do so and press. Amo na to nak. Don't kuan na. Don't change.
I'm not sure to do the slow method.
Sige, don't near your face in the descender. Don't near your clothes.
Why?
Tibangan ma-catch up sa descender. Sige, you press. Can do it. Sige. You press lang.
Maybe I'm going slowly. And
Sige.
God, this is...
Sige, you press nga ni. Oh, that's it. Oh, see? That's it. Sige, press. That's it, press. Oh, sige.
I'll probably kick as soon as there's no stone.
Sige, press. More. Sige.
Don't scared, I've been catching you.
Sige,
Yeah,
go.
you will catching me. What was
Sige, press.
I catching you?
I'm catching you.
Press.
Well, at least there's no screaming. Like before.
Sige, press na.
Okay, now this is unbearably slow.
Yeah, you do so and then press. Sige.
I'm like, so heavy.
Yeah, you do so nga na your other hand must do so and the other one press like that. Yeah, that's it. Like that. Like that. That's it. Then you do so again. Sige na, press. No, then press. Sige. Oh, that's it. Sige.
My hands are not strong enough for this.
Sige na, you try. You do so and press. There, that's it. Oh, that's it. Oh, see? It's very easy when you do so the rope. Oh, that's it. Like that. Sige, press and do so.
I
Sige.
don't like how I'm bouncing so much.
Sige, like that only. Sige, that's it. Okay. Sige, go.
Ay, maaram na.
Sige, press lang.
It sucks.
Dili mo na to ganina, anak.
Hello there.
Sige na, you do so the rope nga do so the rope more easier. The one you do ganina, like that.
There's
Okay.
a spider. What kind of spider is that anyway?
Sige, do so.
I hate it bounces.
Dili ka, okay ka lang to. Sige na, go na. Okay, press. And do so. Sige, like that.
Yeah, I'm bouncing those.
Sige, it's okay. Okay, go na.
The snow is so slow.
Okay, go.
Slowly but surely, huh?
Sige, do so ang press.
It's so hard to push it. Oh my god.
Maybe you tanggal lang the carabiner in the front.
No, I mean the red button. It's so hard to pull.
Sige na, just press lang. Sige na.
Use your two hands.
My two hands. How am I supposed to?
Ito sulod ang mga tubig. Okay, ready. Yeah. So we're now here inside Central Cave. I'm gonna explore now. Came from there. Kaya napagkuha ng mga crystal. Right there. Oh, that's
There's a shark.
oh, smile. Like a curtain. Yeah. Province Live TV, ang Boy Dangas, exploring Central Cave. Yeah, welcome to Central Cave. Well, a column or pillar. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, nice. So maligid-ligid ang
Nice. Wow. Hala. Ang laki. Parang yelo na pader. Parang nag-yelo. Ano ito, biniyari?
dead end na here. This part is already dead end. Oh, thanks. So we're going back and we go to the other chamber.
It just looks like shining.
Stalagmite. Crystal stone. Yeah, beautiful. Central Cave. Smile.
Uko, pero crystal. Kapagkit mo ng crystal. Ito na yung column. Kasi talak.
Ito yung bacon.
Nag-connect column na siya.
Okay.
Siguro. Yung malaking bacon, meron ding isa. Maliit pa ang baby bacon.
Okay, nga ito na kita may Twin Tower.
Okay.
Curtain. Ito, curtain. Pwede ka sa mulot yan to. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, there. Nice. Hello. Terraces. Curtain. Mga stalagmite.
Picture yan.
Yeah, beautiful Central Cave. Blanket. Oo nga. Ah, many millions of years. May bacon. Now we're going back to the main entrance. So the rope is there. We're gonna ascend. So we just finished our Central Cave. Yeah, stalactite, stalagmite. Ascending here. Going out to the exit, Central Cave. Multo. Sige, banyak. Okay, go. Almost there. Now, bird angas.
Yeah. This is a very good and historic
Yeah, adventure.
unforgettable moment in my life. This is how it
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Sige, climb. Okay, go.
My phone.
Huh?
With my phone recording.
I'm the one to bring ng asin na. Go up na.
Ah,
Oh, go. Oh, you can do that. Sige, go. Climb, go.
I cannot see you.
Sige, again.
What?
So, Trex is climbing now.
Sir?
Okay, go up.
Huh? God, that's heavy. Is the spider still there?
Okay, go. So, Trex climbing now. Okay, go. You can do it.
I'll take
Good
a
job.
rest.
Sina, go.
So heavy. Oh my God.
Yeah, you can do it. Go. Okay, pull. Okay, stand up. Good. Good job.
Ah, my hand.
You're almost there.
How about you?
So, Trex
I
climbing.
want to eat some monkey raisin.
Sige, stand up. Go. Go up. Oh.
Oh. Okay, no, don't pull, don't pull.
Sige, go, go, go. Almost there.
No.
Okay, go. Slowly, slowly. There's nothing there. Go, go. No, no, no. It's gonna go up lang. Go na, go na. Careful. Eh, pagkuhan niya na, Trex. Go.
I don't like.
There's more namok surrounding you. You know what is namok?
Mas di ba nagklase ng quiz? Yeah, layo na nga di pinansudoy ang mga classmate di pinankoreksyon. Mali ito. Oh. Grade 3 pala, memorize ng table.
Di nakasabi tadi, iya?
Namok sa tagno.
Oo. Siya daw, kay nabon yung.
You can help me or no? Namok is a butterfly. Hell yeah.
Kaya basta-basta nagamit sila kung kita yung TV pero kada kung pinataan niya mga English speaking words.
Paso ah.
Yeah, but
Your eyes masasaraban.
Rex! 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 Do you know Peter Piper?
try and open it. Try and open it. Come on. Open. Try and open. Come on.
Where?
No.
Nahihiwi. Let's butong it. Yung kapatagan.
Nagkutan na?
One is,
This is a stove.
feeling.
Ano yung parang ko?
Kusog man daw. Klaro ko man ang tunog.
Waray na.
Ubos ang sulod.
Wow, it's so good. Oh, that's. Oh, I can
It's
see.
grounded.
Wow.
It's grounded.
Yes. I'll put it on. You can see it. It's very visible. Oh, look there.
Time for lunch.
Oh, you can see. Look under. Look there.
Waray man.
Look there. Over there.
Adan ko nila. Paso na kamo.
Already broken.
So, palangani.
Kasi gada lang ito dito.
That is
Kuha
why
dito garapon.
we can't plug it then.
Garapon.
Uri na parang
Time chicken and vegetable. Na, pangaw na. Text kami na. Here na, boy. Kami na, kayo hungry oh. Sige na, careful.
Don't forget your cuchillo.
This was mine. I borrowed it from someone. Can you stop that?
Yeah, lunch time.
Oh.
Pangaon. We're hungry. It's already 1 o'clock. 1:30. Still going down to walk. Ako na pala nagluluto na. Iya akong chip cook pag nagkikibing ako.
Nice, kaupay.
Yeah, thank you to my wife eh. Good food. Marasa.
Nice, kaupay.
No taste of it pa. More.
Can you stop recording?
Eating. Yeah, packing time. No, kami na.
Pwede mo magtaktak, Bidi.
Text. You want to have coffee? Holding our tarp.
Yan iabot niya.
Hmm.
Mga pagpa.
Okay, ko na eh.
Kasi nga di katapusan.
Ako mo talaga. Di kita na eh.
Kasi di
Naingat to ka na.
Ready now for hiking? We're going now to Bangon Falls for canyoning. Oh, follow GC. Kuya GC. Okay, follow. 2 o'clock now. We're still doing the canyoning in Bangon Falls. So we just done our Central Cave. So bye bye. Central Cave. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for the good time.
One of the beautiful.
Follow. Careful. Fall mushroom. Yeah, beautiful mushroom. Nice one. Rex going home now because she's already tired. Going back to Katbalogan. Preparing now for canyoning. So this is the place we go canyoning. The waterfall. Okay, salute. So ready for canyoning. Gonna wear now the... Wala, nababaliktad. Sige, sugad, alsa. So we have a canyoning gear now. Okay. Okay. Hop, hinay. O, sige, release, guti. O, rapi lang na. Sugad lang ito. Wow, very good. Oh. practicing rappelling for canyoning now. So we're now practicing the rappelling because later we're gonna rappel in the waterfall. Hinay, hop. Okay, ready for rappel. Woohoo! Release lang, guti. Sige, release lang. Hop. Oh, hinay-hinay lang. Ay, pagtigda. Okay, hop. Okay. Hala. Dati na. Oh, dali lang. Oh, next. Okay, badangas now. Okay, ubos na eh. Ubos. Oh, Berik. Sige. Oh, sige. 1, 2. Buha! Sige, Rafael, release. Guti, release. Oh, okay. Oh, hinay lang. Sige, release. Okay, wow. Okay, nasa waterfalls na. Time for canyoning in the waterfall. Going there to Bangon Falls. We are ready now for canyoning.
Canyoning! Kakbalugan!
Bangon Falls.
Let's go! Let's go to explore! Let's go!
Okay, puro daw lang. Woo! Okay. The first waterfall. Okay. Sige, tanggal. Anay, paano pisit? Tama. Sige, tanggal. Eh, sa likod. Malukso ka na. Ready to layog. Anay, gamitan ko pa. Yan. Wala na. Sige, jump. 1, 2, 3. In the canyon.
Yeah! It's good!
Our first waterfall. Let's go for the second one. Hop. Yeah.
Ang ganda! Sarap, ang sarap! Solid!
Okay. Second waterfall. Waterfall down there. There's a good Smile. Okay. Second waterfall. Oh, smile. Oh, picture na. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2. Second waterfall. Woohoo!
Nice!
Caving and canyoning in Catbalogan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bangon Falls. Yeah, the third waterfall. Gonna rappel there. We're now in the bridge. So going down to the bridge. Gonna rappel now. Third waterfall.
Third, rappelling.
Okay, yeah. While rappelling now, third waterfall. Yeah, go. Nice. Beautiful here. Blue color of the water. The waterfall. Very nice. Paradise here. Yeah, nice waterfall. Swimming. Yeah, nice. There's also a cave there, but only a small cave. Yeah, third waterfall. Made it, smile. Picture. 1, 2, 3. Continue. Now there's the third waterfall. Now let's go to the fourth waterfall. Let's go. Ano? Sige, Vira. Oh, kita na para klaro. Pangay-rayong paglayo ka, abot nga. Sige. Oh, harayo dito na. Oh, basta importante harayo. Harayo, paray. Laro mo ito. Bot nga. Oh. Sige. Ready. Dira. Okay. Dira. Meron din kaming clean up drive. So yung mga basura, they just leave it here in Bangon Falls. So hope mga bisita na pumupunta dito, wag naman kayo mag-iwan ng basura. Dapat dinadalang basura pag uwi nyo. Pangit tingnan. Oh, ngayon dadalhin namin itong basura nyo. So basura nyo, kabin Tagalinis. Nag-iwan lang sila ng basura. Yeah, ngayon dadalhin namin ang basura. So clean up drive. Ibig na nag-enjoy tayo ng canyoning, ngayon maglilinis na tayo. Okay. Layog, sige.
Layog. Oh.
So we're now in Bangon Falls. There's already Bangon Falls.
Ada pera ho.
Okay. Ayan na to. Oh. Bangon Falls. Okay, Bangon Falls. Bangon Falls, ha?
Pinakilok ko gumagulot na batang at to.
Ah, ano, lumokso.
Oo, no. Mari, pagkaparigol ako no.
Manawara ng goon.
So we're now in Bangon Falls. So we're gonna fly now the drone to the waterfall. Careful, be careful.
Yari ka pa.
Tira ko.
At tulungan niya raw mo.
O ka mo naman, Lukso, ka mo. Oh, sige na. Boy Dangas. Bangon Falls. Kanina pa yan pinarigo.
Oo niya sir. Bungat niya ang bulan o.
Ha?
Kapnoon na siya.
Din. Nagbawang pa, anay. Ano? Mga beda. Oh, okay, jump. Woo! Oh, layog na mo. Beda. Woo! Go. Oh, Superman. Bang! Leaving Bangon Falls, going now to San Andres. Just finish our caving and canyoning.
Bye guys. Hi guys. Thank you for
Thank you for watching. On the tricycle, ready to go. Our guide going now. Sige, salamat. Sige, inay ka mo. Inay ka mo. In Catbalogan Instructs Pro Shop. So, thank you for watching our caving in Central Cave and canyoning in Bangon Falls. Thank you. See you for the next caving in Samar. Bye-bye.